Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can fix the bookmarks bar not showing issue in the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright, so launch Comet AI, and here in the browser, guys, there are two ways how you can fix this. Option number one, check if the bookmarks bar is enabled through the menu in the top right corner. So if you don't see it anywhere here, like in my case here, click into that arrow down icon, hover your mouse over bookmarks, and simply enable show a bookmarks bar, or alternatively use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+B. If you're using a Mac, Command+Shift+B. And if I do this, these bookmarks will be re-enabled. So let me disable them back again and show you option number two. If you still don't see that bookmarks bar, simply navigate to your browser settings through that menu in the top right corner, select settings. Here inside your browser settings, head over to appearance, and here under appearance, enable show bookmarks bar. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.